Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. So guys, in today's video, we're going to be unboxing this beautiful chair you are seeing on the screen right now. So it's actually my husband that ordered this chair for me so that I can be using it to sit down to create my content because I'm always sitting down on a stool. Yes, on a stool. So I'm always training my back whenever I'm creating content, so that's why he ordered this chair for me. Like he paid for this chair for me, and I ordered it from China 1688. Can you see that? It's very beautiful and it's lightweighted. It doesn't have much weight. Though I brought it through air, but I wouldn't advise anybody who wants to buy this chair to bring it through air shipping. It's best to do sea shipping because air is too expensive for this kind of products. So guys, this is me trying to fix the chair leg on it. When I got to a point when I saw that, oh, I couldn't do it, I had to ask for my husband's help. And here is my darling husband. He's my number one supporter. Like he's the one that supports my career 100%. He's always there cheering me, teaching me what to do as well, how to grow, career wise. Is the best husband so far like I've ever seen in the world. So guys, this chair is very comfy. Hey God. I really am so grateful to my husband for you know putting me in mind to, like, okay, get me this kind of chair for me to be creating my content. So guys, keep watching and don't forget to tell me where you are watching from so that I can give you some tips on how to order from China 1688. And do not forget to click on the like button and drop comment if there's anything you have in mind that you want to say to me, you want to ask me any questions about 1688 China importation. Drop it in the comment section and I'm going to personally answer your questions. So guys, keep watching how we fix the chair, we fix the legs, and my husband, the number one, is my number one paddy. Like, is my teammate, is someone that supports me in everything I do. He gives me advice. It's more like my dad and my mom combined. Yes, I can say that again and again and again. So, guys, here is our chair. Yeah, you're going to see me creating content with this chair pretty soon. How does it look? Do you like it? If you like it, please drop it in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section if you like me. Tell me what you think about the chair. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.